up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna share to you DIYs that will keep you productive and organized this school year. So since we have this pandemic going on, please stay safe and wash your hands and wear a face mask. So since we are in online classes, so instead of procrastinating or whatsoever, I'm gonna share to you DIYs that will keep you productive this school year. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So for this first DIY, you will need a whiteboard or a picture frame if you have, and a printout. So here I just printed the months, the days, and a picture of a marble. I will just tell to you later what is that for. And a scissors, ruler, scotch tape, and a marker or like a washable marker if you have. So first thing you will do is get your scotch tape. So the best thing is if you have a wider one, that's easier. So what you're basically gonna do is you're just gonna cover all of those printouts with the scotch tape, and then after that is you're just gonna cut them individually. And here just get a marker and a ruler. We're just gonna mark on where the lines will be, and I draw here 7 columns for the days of the week because it's Monday to Sunday. So I'm just putting some marks to make the rows of the calendar. So the measurements depends on you. So if you have a bigger whiteboard or a picture frame, you can have a wider boxes. After you put those lines, just stick those stickers. By the way, I printed them on sticker paper so that it will be much easier. And then I just stick the days also. So it depends on you if you want it to be like whole word or like the first letters, just the S, T, and so on. So I just got this alphabet stickers from Pinterest, so you can go check it out. And here I'm just cutting some strips of that marble picture. But if you have a washi tape, it is much easier than cutting those strips individually. Next is just grab your whiteboard and those strips that you've cut earlier and place it on the lines that you have drawn. So here is how it looks like. Next is just erase those markings and cut those excess marble strips. And here I'm just gonna cut a 1 by 1 centimeter of squares and place it on each boxes. And this is how it turned out. So with this, you can easily track your monthly plans, jot down your to-do list on that particular day. You can just easily interchange the dates of the month instead of drawing or those monthly calendars or printing them. You can just easily interchange with this one. You can try this one to be more productive and to be organized. So for our next DIY, which is a bullet journal or a planner, you will need an old notebook. I have this from my previous school year. Next is a yarn, a pencil, scotch tape, ruler, scissors, a bobby pin, and a white cartolina, and some printouts. So first thing you'll do is you're gonna separate those pages that you're gonna use in this DIY. And then if you want to add more pages, is you can just get another pages from your other notebooks. And here you can use a needle, but since I don't have that in the moment, is I just got a bobby pin and then flatten out that part. And after that is you're just gonna tie the end so that it will be secured when you're sewing the notebook. So if you reach up until the end of the notebook, is make sure to lock the yarn and cut the excess so that it will look neat. And this is how it looks like at the back. Next is just get your cartolina, any color will do, and then use it to cover your notebook. So this one is kind of optional, so it depends on you if you want to cover your notebooks, but if you don't want, then you can leave it as it is. Next is just cut a garter. So I just cut this for about 12 inches, and then I just measured at the back part of the notebook 3 centimeters. It is where the garter will gonna pass, and it will be hidden inside of the cartolina. After that is just stick the garter into the cartolina so that it will be secured, and then it depends on you if you want to cover it so that it will be neat looking. But if you don't want, it's still okay because it will be covered by the notebook. So after you attach the garter is finish sticking the cartolina into the notebook and glue all those sides of the notebook, and make sure that they glue properly so that it will not be damaged easily. Next is just get your printout. So I just printed this pattern because it looks cute and I kind of like this one. Okay, and then after that is just get your double-sided tape and put some tape on all sides of the picture or the printout. So it depends on you if you want to use a double-sided tape. You can use a glue. And then you will do that also at the back part of the notebook, but remember that there is like a garter, so what you're gonna do is just cut a line on where the garter can pass like so, and then glue that together. And this is how it turned out. Next is grab your scotch tape or a clear masking tape and cover the notebook if you want it to be waterproof, or you can use a plastic cover if you want, but I didn't cover the front part. And then I just decided to cover the other bullet journal or a planner of mine, whereas I just used this printout so that it will fit into the aesthetic or to the theme of my room. But still depends on you. And this is how it turned out. So for our next DIY, you will need a cork board, a glue gun, scissors, paint, any type of paint, a cloth, so here I just put some glue gun on the parchment paper. Next is, while I'm letting that to dry, is I just take the cloth onto the cork board. And then I just painted the circles white, and I just attached it to the cork board, and this is how it turned out. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. So if you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you won't miss, or so you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. Comment down below what DIYs or videos you want me to do next. So thank you so much guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Thank you so much guys for supporting me, and thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.